snowing. I love when it snows like this. When it just starts snowing. But when it gets dirty, don't like that. But it's not that cold out here. It's like 9:30 in the morning right now. I am heading to work. I woke up this morning and I'm like, oh, it's snowing. That's the only time I get excited, when it's fresh snow. Other than that, a couple days after, tired of it. I think that's everybody in New York, because they be like, oh, clean this shit up. But happy Friday, guys. Thankful for another day. It's the end of the week. It's a little chilly out here. Ooh. I was gonna wear my boots, but I can't bother to go to work and exchange. Not time for that. See, like this, right? Like that. Ugh. Can't bother with that. But yeah. Snow on the trees. I want to touch it. Just because I haven't seen them in so long. Just because. Always look so pretty on the trees. Just to be honest, it would look so much better around Christmas time. I got my hat on that I bought. I'm like, let me wear my hat today because it's snowing. Why not? Ooh. Yeah, they gotta clean the snow up. Ooh. They got the. Okay, so in New York, I think maybe, I don't know, I think it's in other states too, but in New York City, they gotta clean their pathway for people to walk, so they won't get sued. Like the ice on the floor, you gotta throw salt on the floor for the ice to melt, so you won't get sued, because people will sue you if they bust their ass right here. Right by the gateway. So you gotta clean it up and make sure people have a way to walk. Even the cars be stuck sometimes, but as you see, there's not much ice on the street that much. Like if it was a crazy snowstorm, the cars would not be able to come out. Like, oh, let me see what time is it. I ain't trying to miss this train. As long as I'm on a train before 9:40, I'm good. 9:36. Alright, I'm right here by the train station, so show you the weather today. It says, gotta be careful. It should drag you back. It's 29 degrees. Whew, child. Oh yeah, I'm across the street. Uh-oh. And then block me in. How do you just come block me in like that, sir? Oh, see this ice shit right here? This shit right here. You bust your ass right here. Oh, child. Oh, God. Finally Friday. Even though I have a long day ahead of me. I have a long day ahead of me. People cleaning up their pathway to get out their house. Just gotta be careful to walk on this ice. How many times I slipped? Yeah, have I ever fall? I think I did before. Yeah, I fall before. Everybody fall before. If you say you don't fall, that's a lie. Bust their ass before. Close to the train station. Walk up because not me trying to run. I'm gonna bust my ass. Here we go. And the train station too. They better have that shit. They go to Salt Lake. They better have this thing Cleaned up. My train. So I'm in the train station, and my train is coming in 1 minute. My train coming right now. So let me go on the train. I'll work, y'all. Don't you make that anyway though? Mailman. Snows in the trees for me. So I'm at Washington Square Park. I am on my break. I'm like, let me come over here see what's going on because I never been here before. I never been here before. So just to come over here and see what's going on. Nothing much is going on. But I just wanted something to do on my break because I ate my lunch already. All hour to waste. So just snow for you guys. It's freezing. My hand is freezing. I'm mad I didn't bring my gloves. Like I have it in my bag, but I didn't even bring it out for me. So kitties. That man is Holly. His name is Alexander something Holly. I was trying to post it on Snap just now and I saw it thing, so I think there's a train station over there. That's the way I should have came out of when I came out the wrong way. I think it is. No, that's not it. Okay, having fun. The kitties was waiting for the snow. Look at them. The building. We got cameras. Come here when the water is not in the fountain. Because it's not going to leave. It's freezing out here. Oh, you're sitting down in the cold. What are you talking? Again.
But if I'm working, it probably will last for 3 years. Because at the end of the day, I really don't fucking.
Still lit up.
Yeah.
Yes, it is for everybody's daughter's Christmas tree. Hey, look. Now Christmas tree. I think it just changed just now. Look at that. Let me get it closer to the Christmas tree. Hey, that is freezing, yo. A lot of different entrances.
Clearly, those are
Oh. There you go. I'm trying to get a front of the entrance. I didn't come in the entrance. This is the entrance. So. And we got Washington, George Washington right here.
Wait, me.
So I could go across the street. No car's not coming. I'm about to go see if I get a better view from over here for y'all. So they're doing COVID testing. And that truck right there. But whew. And I'll tell y'all, man, it's freezing. Oh, child. I just noticed there's two people on there. I didn't even see the other person. I didn't even see the person right there. I should go back to work right now. My hands is freezing. And I'm going to go this way. Look at walk. I'm going to go back this way. All these damn Christmas trees, though. Oh, why did I not bring my friggin' gloves? What's the thing over there? Damn. I can't put my hands. Oh. From the fountain. Back to work right now. It's freezing out here. Makes no sense, but it's freezing. It's not cold. Like that last clip, well, the one I just before this one, before the one that I did at the fountain, the phone literally shut off because my hand is freezing. It was cold, so the phone shut off. So, but I'm about to go back to work. I'm tired of being out here in the cold.